so I shoveled out the mailbox. It's good enough for now. I got another 8-10 inches there on the bottom layer. Came down here, I had to dig the way out. So I did that. And it's coffee break time. But I wanted to finish the dugout for the barrel. So that's looking pretty good. So here, the biggest problem is getting the barrel from the house down here. It's about 400 feet. The problem is that the shovel isn't as wide as the barrel. That is, the barrel is about 2 widths of that shovel. I'm not shoveling it twice. So I'm just going to take the top off and take a coffee break and then wrestle it down here. That's it, more later. This is the Great Blizzard of 26 dig out on Tuesday, February 24th, 2026. That's it for now.